1, 2, 3, 4. I'll teach you how to play the song in a minute. I taught a song the other day, Stony Creek by Xavier Rudd, which has exactly the same tempo and chord progression. Anyway, so back to the song. Enrique Iglesias. So just G, E minor, C, and D. And what you do with this picking hand is you go the 6, 3, and 2 together with palm of 2, and then you do 6, 4, and 3 with this finger down on the 2nd fret. And then the same thing on the E minor. With the C it's simple, da do da do da, and with the D also the same thing, bass on the 4th string. And then you could strum it as well. You could do da 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 da. And the strumming is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, da 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 down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. Okay, we gotta quit this lesson. We got a private student coming in. Cheers, guys. Have a nice day, and hope you enjoyed this lesson. Hope it helped you, and hope you can see you soon. Cheers, guys. This sounds like a podcast. Hey, guys, did we start a podcast? Maybe. I don't know. Oh, José González released a new song, a new album today, actually. His album came out. I'm looking forward to doing those tutorials. Gonna give me a headache, but anyway, let's go.